In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shared documents, files, and folders in Google Drive. Knowing how to navigate your Google Drive efficiently can save you a lot of time, especially when collaborating on projects. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys keeping things organized, these steps will be invaluable. First things first, open your internet browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard displaying files and folders that you've stored here. Now, to find shared items specifically, look to the left sidebar where you'll find several options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. The Shared with Me section is what we're interested in today. By clicking on Shared with Me, you're essentially opening a list of all the files and folders that have been shared with you by others. This view organizes your shared content by the date it was shared, placing the most recent additions at the top, which can be incredibly useful if you're looking for something that's been newly shared with you. While you're exploring the Shared with Me section, take note of the icons next to each item. A small icon, resembling two people, indicates that the item is shared. By recognizing these icons, you can quickly identify shared items even when browsing through other sections of your drive. For an easier time locating a specific document or set of documents, you can use the search bar at the top of your Google Drive. Type in keywords or the name of the file you're searching for. Google Drive's search functionality is quite robust, and it often does a great job of understanding and retrieving the files you're looking for based on titles, contents, and other meta tags. If you find yourself searching for the same document or folder frequently, you might want to consider creating shortcuts. You can do this by right-clicking on the file or folder and selecting Add Shortcut to Drive. This feature allows placing it somewhere more easily accessible within your Drive layout, like the main My Drive screen. Finally, remember that organization is key to efficiency. Regularly take some time to go through your Shared with Me section to archive or remove any documents you no longer need easy access to. This will help keep your shared file list manageable and ensure that the items that matter most are easy to find. And there you have it. Now you know how to find and manage your shared documents, files, and folders in Google Drive. These tips should help streamline your workflow and make your Google Drive experience smoother. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.